I'm going to show you how you can easily add Google Authenticator to Kucoin. First, open the Kucoin app on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Next, tap on Security from the menu options. After that, tap on Google Verification to set up two-factor authentication. Here, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Then tap on Already Installed, Continue to move forward. Now, you will see a private key. Make sure to copy this key as it's important for the next step. Next, go back and open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Due to privacy settings, my screen might look black, but don't worry, you can still find the code inside the app. Copy the code and return it to Kucoin. Finally, paste the code into Kucoin to complete the setup.